In this video, I'll show you how you can use Spotify QR codes. So this is new and I'll show you how you can use it. It's actually quite simple. So all you need to do in order to use the QR codes is go to a song and then click on the three dots next to it. So let's say I want to use this song. You then click on those dots and this right here is the QR code, which is pretty cool. So this right there, that's the QR code. So what you can take screenshots and you can pretty much send that to people. Let's say that I'll take a screenshot of this song. Now what you can do next, like once you receive a song like that, you want to go to search, and then normally you would search for a song right there. All you need to do now is click on the camera icon, which is showing up right there, top right corner. Click on that and there you go. So right now they're explaining how this works. So once again, that right there is the QR code. You want to click on scan and then click on allow. And then all you need to do is scan it with your camera or click on select from photos. And then next up, you want to choose it. And then right there, the song will start playing. So that's pretty cool, right? So that's exactly how you can use this. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments and then I'll see you next time.